How to find and use TikTok filters. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application over here. As you're logged into your account, also check on the internet connection that you have. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, what you can simply do is land on the page where you can simply create any sort of pictures or videos over here. So you can simply tap on the plus icon, and as you do that, you'll be landing on a new page. So let's wait for a while until it loads the page. So now you can simply click a picture, or you can now search for any filters by tapping on any of the left options. So as you search for filters, you can also tap on discover all effects. So I'm going to simply select on one of the effects over here. And as I do that, you can simply click a picture and that will be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.